Hi there! Do you have passion for hair and wig making? Do you want to go into business but you have zero capital? Yes girl, you're on the right channel, because today I am going to be sharing with us how I started my hair and wig business with no capital. So yes, stay with me. Let's go. On today's episode on Lifestyle Funsho, I am going to be sharing with us how to start a hair or wig business with no capital. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so that every time that I post a new content, you will be the first person to know. And if you're an old follower, hey there, how you doing? Thank you for following my page. And if you always watch my videos but you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, please. So let's get right into this video. Yes guys, so I'm going to be very as realistic as possible to you guys. So if you live in Nigeria, this video is going to be extra helpful for you. So let me quickly say this: if you have zero passion for what you intend to do, there is no need for you to do it, honestly, because passion is very key. Passion makes you to want to learn more, you know, and it makes you enjoy. So far you enjoy what you do, you will go far with it. So yes, 2017 I made this wig after watching YouTube videos, you know. I'm always very curious when it comes to things, especially things that we wear, you know. I'm a very fashionable person, you know, I think so. And I always want to make people look beautiful, so it's a thing for me, you know. I always look at somebody and I'm like, if this person is wearing this thing, this person. So once I had decided that this is what I was going to do, and I wanted to make money off it, I wanted women to look good. I didn't know how I was going to get my first customer. I didn't know how I was going to go about it. I had no money to do it. And I had read somewhere in a book, I think it was a Robert Kiyosaki's book, that usually friends and families don't see your potentials until later. So I had packed those ones to one side. I wasn't going to beg any family member or beg any friend to come and patronize. I was going to go out there and get somebody. So what I did was I went on the net, downloaded a bunch of pictures, stole people's pictures, posted them. I kept on posting them until someone sent me a message one day, and she was like, do I have this available? I was like, yes I do. And she was like, how much is it? And I said, it's about 50k. And she was like, oh, that's pretty expensive. And I'm like, yes, it's expensive, but it is value for your money. Trust me, this hair will not shred, it will not. I kept on telling her things that I didn't even know. Remember, I had zero or no knowledge about hair. Honestly, I didn't. And she was like, okay, no problem. And then I waited 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, a week. I didn't hear from this lady, and I didn't want to be the one to send her a message again to remind her, because it would mean like I was being too desperate. And remember, you don't always want to show them that you're desperate. So I didn't send her a message. But one day I wasn't doing anything in the house, and I was like, okay, let me even go to the market and have a market survey. And then I went to trade fair. Yes guys, trade fair is a huge part of my life. So I went to the market. Guys, trade fair played an amazing role in my life starting my business. So I went into trade fair and I was showing that picture that the lady had asked me of, with the anticipation that okay, when she finally gets back to me, I will have so much information to blow her mind with, and you know how they say, you stay ready so that you don't have to get ready. So while showing different vendors this picture, I started seeing new hairs that I've never seen, even online. I've never seen them. So I was just taking pictures of them. When I was leaving the market, I tried to look for 1 or 2 people that I could talk to, tell them what I do and all of that. And I saw a couple of people. I was like, no. So there was this girl. She had her hair packed, and she kind of looked friendly, like someone I could talk to. So I walked up to her and I was like, hi, my name is Funsho. I make wigs. I don't know if you have wigs or if you have any style you want me to make, you just need to just show me and I'll get it done, and I'm not so pricey. And she's like, okay, no problem. I was like, okay, can I have your number? She's like, okay, let me have yours. I was like, okay. So I took she took my number, and I just left and I went home, and I got a message from her. She's like, oh hi, this is Blessing, I got your number. And she's like, okay. okay. So guys, sadly that lady never called me back. She never did. But guess what? So about a month and a half later, this lady I met in trade fair gave me a call, and she's like, oh, she has an event and then she wanted to make a wig. I was like, okay, pretty cool. And she's like, so are we gonna meet up? And I was like, okay, I was gonna meet her anywhere. I was super excited. My first customer, oh my gosh. My first customer, oh my Jesus. So we met up and I got the hair from her, and mind you guys, I had no tools, nothing. And she was like, how much? And I told her, I was like, it's 5k. And she's like, no, that's 3k that she has. I was like, please pay 4k, please. Okay, so she gave me 4k, and I had to go to trade fair to get mannequin head. Mannequin hair was about 2k then. That's very nonsense small one, but I think that was like 1.8 now. I was like about 2k. I got pin, I got thread and everything. So when it came to me doing the hair, frontal wig, I don't know how to do it. I've never done it. Remember, the first one I did was a closure wig. It's like, Jesus. I carried my phone, I went on YouTube, I sit down, watched all the frontal videos I could find. It's like, oh, I'm already having a headache, I need to go and sleep first. I just took the hair. I was like, I'm going to make this thing, so I wigged it. It was good. It was actually nice. And then we met up and I took videos of her receiving the hair and everything. And she was too kind to make a proper video for me. I was like, oh my god. So then after then I had another person again. I met another person again in trade fair, and at that time I was getting small ones from the other lady. She bought so that lady from trade fair had given me a couple of referrals, I think about 4 people. So now I had money now, yeah. So but I knew that I knew that I needed to take my business to the next level, which is packaging, getting the bags and everything. I asked my mom, I was like, oh, I need this bag, where am I going to get it from? And she's like, oh, that I should go to Idumota has it. So me and my friend went to Idumota. A bag is about 150, so I got 20 of it, yeah, and to print on it is about 15 naira. So all in all, I spent 4k getting my bags. So that was how I started, and I was always see my bag. I used to take pictures up and down the street, everything. I just wanted to beautify my page and make it look really nice and everything. And I started making braid wigs, just to have content. So I started posting pictures on my IG page, and meanwhile I had chosen my name with my friend. I had chosen my name. I had opened my Instagram page, so I was always posting 1 or 2 pictures sometimes, of my work, of me working, I was just all these activities. I just need to make it look like something is happening for you. So and then months later I registered my business. So what I realized that if you have passion for something first, it goes far. It takes you far. Leave family and friends first. They will come around, they will believe you, but they need to see you do something. Most times. So most times they'll be like, I beg, we don't know, So once they now see that people are coming to you, that's when they're not like, I think there's something happening there. Let me go. So yes, just believe in yourself that you can do it. Don't allow anybody to come and tell you, oh, the market is too saturated, or who's going to buy from you. Don't even have that thing at the back of your mind. Who's going to buy from you? People are going to buy from you, my dear, because constantly people are always still looking for where to buy hair. I can tell you that some people don't still know where to get hair, so it's just who you need to reach out to. And this business that we're doing, one person doesn't own a customer. Me myself, I know when it comes to clothes, I don't buy clothes from one person. You understand? So everybody is for everybody. Nobody is anybody's customer. Everybody buys from where they like. So that is it. Just have confidence in yourself. Plan, always plan, and then keep learning new things. Very key. As you are now making money off your business, small. So yes, just stay focused, keep going. Business has its ups and downs. They say it all the time. In order for you to consider a business a failure, it has to have gone from 2 to 5 years. So if your business is not 2 years to 5 years, you shouldn't call it a failure. You should keep going. Learn new things every day. Try and learn. Me, I have a couple of classes I want to still take. So just have to keep going. You're going to get there eventually. We will all get there. So yes, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. If you are not yet subscribed, I think at this time you should. Please help me share this video, like, comment. You can ask me any question in the comment section and I would be answering you. So yes, bye bye.